Money. We use it every single day, yet some of its secrets are stranger than fiction. From ancient origins to shocking modern truths, the world of money is full of mysteries. Today, we're diving into 5 weird and mind-blowing money facts that might change the way you see every coin in your pocket. Fact number 1. The first paper money was used in China over 1,400 years ago. Back in the Tang Dynasty, merchants began using paper notes as a convenient alternative to heavy metal coins. By the 11th century, during the Song Dynasty, the government officially issued paper currency called jiazi. Imagine walking through a market with paper notes instead of carrying sacks of copper coins. It was revolutionary. Some of these ancient notes were even stamped with official seals to prevent forgery, making them the earliest known version of a modern banknote. And yes, the concept of paper money traveled slowly, taking centuries before Europe adopted it. Fact number 2. It costs more to make a penny than it's actually worth. The US Mint revealed that producing a single penny costs about 1.76 cents. That means every penny you drop in a jar actually loses money for the government. The main culprit? The rising cost of zinc and copper used to mint these tiny coins. To put it in perspective, if you stacked every penny produced in a single year, it could wrap around the earth almost 3 times. Next time you pick up a penny, remember, it's technically a tiny money-losing machine in your hand. Fact number 3. The largest bill ever printed was the $100,000 note. Yes, a single bill worth $100,000 existed. Issued in 1934, this note featured President Woodrow Wilson and was used exclusively for transactions between Federal Reserve banks. It was never available for the public, and the total number printed was limited to just a few thousand. Imagine holding one today, worth over $2 million in today's money, yet impossible to own legally. It's a reminder that money isn't always what it seems. Sometimes it's just a number on paper with a fascinating history. Fact number 4. ATMs contain more bacteria than public toilets. Researchers tested dozens of ATM machines across major cities and found a shocking variety of germs living on the buttons and touchscreens. From E. coli to staph bacteria, these machines can harbor a microscopic world you never imagined. Considering how often people touch them after handling cash, it's no wonder scientists advise regular hand washing after using ATMs. It's a subtle yet creepy reminder that money, and the machines that dispense it, carry more than just value. They carry life itself. Microscopic life, that is. Fact number 5. Credit cards were invented accidentally. In the early 1950s, a man named Frank McNamara forgot his wallet during a business dinner in New York. To pay for the meal, he created a system allowing trusted customers to pay later, essentially a charge card. What started as a simple solution to a moment of embarrassment became the first modern credit card, revolutionizing the way we buy almost everything today. Now, over 1.1 billion credit cards are used in the United States alone, and the concept has spread worldwide. It's a perfect example of how one small mistake can change the course of financial history forever. Money is more than just cash in your pocket. It's a window into history, science, and even unexpected germs. If you enjoyed uncovering these weird money facts, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon. There's a whole world of financial mysteries waiting to be explored, and who knows what strange truth we'll reveal next.